Hey guys, welcome back and Happy New Year to you all. 2024 was a bit of a rush, went through a lot of ups and downs, but here we are. All right, so we're in 2025 and I'm still not done with most of the projects I started for YouTube here last year. But yeah, I'm gonna talk about the most delayed one that I have been doing. So I've been working on this animation for a while. It's been like 10 months, probably a year since I started. Ever since I started using Callipeg, that was my main project that I started with. And I'm still not done. So maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe. But yeah, I forced myself in the past 2 or 3 days to finish the line art, the cleanup, and then the coloring. Yeah. So as you can see here, first of all, let me just turn on my iPad screen record so you can see directly from the screen. Okay, so we are live here. So basically this is the studio area of the whole app, and I'm basically going to just show you the progress that I've done so far for each of the shots. So as you can see, at first I just had the line art without any colors. Now I've done the coloring and I've added a bit of shadows and then the extra detail like the sweat. So this is how it goes. It's nothing really detailed, just a simple animation. And here's a second shot. So that one is like after the first one. Let me know what you think of the animation so far. Is it too detailed? Is it a bit low quality? Is it exactly what you were looking for? Personally, I just wanted to try out Callipeg and see how good it could be, especially after you export it to the computer programs like After Effects, which I plan on doing soon. That will be like a part 2 of this video. So let's move on to the next shot, which is this. So after he kind of gets up, we see him shake off the sweat. Let me position the frame right here and play. Yeah, just about that. Yeah. So he shakes off the sweat, some of it falls off from his face. I made the background black so I can see the details of the sweat as I animate. So it's not necessarily like the background is going to be blank. I'm going to later on paint a background fitting for it. I'll tell you about the story later on so you understand what kind of scene he's in and what he's actually going through. So here's the final shot where he kind of just, rages out, and then the video ends there. It's just like probably a 15-second animation. I didn't want to go to making a long animation to stress myself out. I mean, 15 seconds, and it took me almost a year to finish because of my busy schedule. But that's not an excuse, I know. Some people do this every single day, and within a year, they're able to put out more than 5 animations. So I have no excuse to make. All right, so now that I've seen everything I've done so far, I also put it together here in Procreate Dreams, kind of editing the video together. This was before I added the sweat, so you can see there's no sweat here, but basically you get to see the way the video will go. And yeah. So I was planning on making the last shot just, come after the black screen to kind of give you a suspense. So the sound will help you anticipate that shot, like right here. So whoever is going to fight with, his voiceover will be placed with the black screen, and then it will show his reaction, which is the rage mode. So from here, he's kind of getting up after being beaten up, and then the guy is talking, and then responds, and it ends. Kind of, something to keep you guys on your toes as you wait for my comic and animation to be ready. All right. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I've done so far, and hopefully I plan on putting a whole time-lapse video of the whole compositing. I know it's going to be a big file size, but I'm going to try to, you know, work on things fast so it doesn't become a big file for it to stress my PC anyway. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully the things I plan to do on my birthday, if you check my birthday update video, I'll be working on those things this year, and probably more stuff than I promised. I'm really having high hopes for this year because last year taught me a lot, and since I've learned from my mistakes, I'm sure things are going to be a bit clearer now. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe. Most people forget to subscribe and they end up missing all my videos. So do well to like and subscribe if you like what you saw here and you want to see more. Basically, I'll be making more animations, probably with Callipeg or Toon Squid. Procreate Dreams, I think it's not there yet. I'll work on that later. Also, leave a comment in the comment section down below if you want to see a comparison of all the 3 major 2D animation apps. That is Procreate Dreams, Callipeg, and Toon Squid. Yeah. Also, I think I might include Flipper Clip, but I feel like Flipper Clip is kind of too childish. I don't know. The interface is quite limited. Maybe I have to buy the premium version to find out, but that's a topic for another day. I'll just do a review of the 3, compare them, and let you know what works best for you and depending on what you're looking for. So yes, like I said, thanks for watching, and I know I'm talking too much, but anyway, peace.